ain't got no. She finna twerk, 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 twerk. Yeah. Shake that ass, sis. Shake that ass, sis. Shake that ass. What's good, y'all? How y'all doing on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day? This is my first video on my art/gaming channel. Hi. But today, y'all, so we're gonna be making a little customized Coraline doll. I do want to give credit where credit is due. I watched 2 videos. I'm gonna insert them right here because I don't remember. I know one is the TikTok artist who I've been following for a while. Okay, so here are all my items I'm gonna be using. I just pretty much laid everything out so y'all can see. Blah 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 blah. So I got some cotton balls for stuffing, some yarn for hair. I got some palette tools. These are mainly used for painting, but I'm gonna use them today. Then I have some aluminum foil, some like felt for the outer body. I have clay. This is air drying clay in the brand Daz. I know a lot of people use like polymer clay that you put in the oven and stuff, but this one air dries, so this video is going to be at least 2 days long. Then I got some buttons. I did want really big button eyes, so I did get big black buttons. Got wire for the skeleton, and then I'm going to be using what is this thing called? Then I'm going to be using a hot glue gun to like glue stuff down and yada yada yada. Also, you need thread and yarn. I just can't find it at the second, but I don't need it at the second, so yeah. And I suggest you guys work on a surface that's, you know, good to work on. You feel me? You feel me? Alright, so I have the skeleton done and I have the brain done. It turned out pretty good. I kind of want to add some more, but I think it looks good. So I'm about to go in with the clay and start molding my face. It is going to take a minute, so it's going to be pretty fun. Oh my freaking gosh, I finally have the head done to where I like it. It's acceptable. She got a, you know, a chrome dome on her. She got a big head, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm still gonna like tweak the face a little bit more. I want it to be a little bit more rounder, and also this is what the back of her head looks like. So yeah, I used a lot of clay, probably about like half of the big ass block I bought. But yeah, look at my hands. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I got it to where I like it. It's decent. Like the buttons, I think they're a pretty good size. Head. Now I'm gonna let her dry, and then I'm gonna start the other process of like sewing her body and stuff like that. That should be fun. But yeah, we building a little human. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. She's so cute. Why did I just remember I have to fucking work today? See, bitch, gotta stop the whole process and go to work. Sorry, it's just got dark in here, so yeah. I love blue liner. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so this is her right now. Oh my gosh, it's looking so freaking good. Her big button eyes, you know. She kind of heavy. Her head kind of heavy. She kind of skinny. What's good? Woo. She's got a full head of hair now. Excuse her hairline a little fucked up. But regardless, and she still don't have a mouth. But y'all, I know y'all see that I have a nose ring. So I did make a nose ring for her. So I'm going to glue that on in a second. But since I'm almost done, I finally have, I found some old clothes that I'm going to use. I'm thinking about doing a red long sleeve black shirt and then using these old jean shorts for her pants, and then I'm gonna make her a jacket just because I did want to do a jacket. I just gotta find the material that I want to do for a jacket. This looking good. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. I know last clip she was looking a little dark, but I did go back and repaint her to make her light skin. And don't worry, y'all, I'm gonna give her a mouth real soon. Okay, bitch. Okay, bitch. Hey. Ain't got no. She finna twerk. Hey. Shake that ass up. Shake that ass up. Shake that ass. Alright, y'all, so for the jacket, finally I'm almost finished. All she needs is a jacket and a mouth. I'm going to be using this old pretty thick sweater I got. I did kind of want to match Coraline's actual jacket, so gladly I did have this mustard yellow color sweater. I haven't worn it in a while. Also, y'all, I do suggest reusing things that you don't necessarily want to throw away, but at the same time you're like, okay, I'm not going to wear this.
Beldam might be listening. You mean the other mother?
I have a mini me. Oh my god, I have a freaking mini me. Look at her. Look at her. Say what's up, sis. I love you. I love you, girl. You love me? You do? Okay. Give me a kiss. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my freaking mini me, my freaking custom Coraline doll. She kind of a little skinny for me, but you know, it is what it is. I love her. Oh my gosh, let's hope the Beldam doesn't go watching me and shit through her eyes, but whatever. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, y'all, just leave a thumbs up. Let me know. There will be more videos on the channel, a lot of drawing videos coming and also gaming videos coming. I do for Halloween like sake, I do want to play Five Nights at Freddy's, so hopefully that will be up on the channel soon. But look at her, look at her.
I probably think this was a dream come true, but you're
I just want to scream like, looky. Sis is cute. Okay. She a little darker than me, but it's okay, sis. It's okay. We love the melanin over here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me do this whole process. Coraline is one of my favorite movies of all time, and it's so funny to think that I never thought to make a custom doll of myself until I saw somebody else do it. Coraline is one of my most favorite movies in the whole wide world, and I never thought to do something like this, and now that I have, I'm so freaking happy. And I even love the fact that I wanted to include, you know, the yellow raincoat. Say bye to the people. Say bye. Say bye to the people. Bye bye. See you in the next video. You guys will be seeing her in my video. Ooh, so. Yeah, I was later. She looked freaky as hell sitting up there. I know the Beldam is watching me. Yeah. She's trying to act non-suspicious. I see you. I see you. I see you looking at me.
See